Hi, thank you for joining us in another comprehensive but easy to follow top list. If you like our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to us. Let's get started.
Hi, I'm Kara for Hamilton Beach, and this is the Keep Warm Toaster. Are you tired of cold toast? Toast is one of life's simple pleasures, whether you like it spread with butter or bookending a BLT. But what about those times when you aren't ready for it when it pops up? With the Keep Warm Toaster, you can select your preferred toast shade and select the optional Keep Warm mode. It beeps when ready, then keeps your toast warm for up to 3 minutes without over toasting. Extra wide slots easily accommodate bagels and Texas toast. It also includes a defrost mode for thawing and toasting frozen bread. For even more convenience, the Toast Boost raises your bread so you can reach it safely. You'll enjoy the perfect slice at the toasty temperature every time. It's toast done right and done smart. The Keep Warm Toaster has a sleek stainless steel design for contemporary kitchens. It also features a smart cord wrap for clutter-free storage. Choose from a traditional 2-slice or the double long slot 4-slice, which toasts all your favorite extra long and extra wide breads and bagels. Now that's good thinking.
With 12 browning settings, the Bit More toasters make perfect toast, whether you like it dark, light, or somewhere in between. Move the browning control slide and match the LED indicator to your desired setting. Different breads require different browning settings. Raisin and white bread have higher sugar content, so they require less browning, and denser bread like rye need more time. The Bit More toasters have preset functions. The frozen function adds the extra time required to defrost, then toast frozen bread. The bagel function activates more heat in the middle heating elements to perfectly toast the insides of your cut bagel without burning the outside. The A Bit More feature is where these toasters got their name, because sometimes we like to toast our bread just a bit more. Press the button before, during, or after the toasting cycle to add more time. And if you want to check your progress without having to fully cancel the cycle, the lift and look lever lets you raise and lower the carriage mid-process. The ready alarm can be set to high or low volume or muted altogether. Use the removable crumb tray beneath to clean your toaster instead of having to shake the toaster upside down. The Bit More toasters, brought to you by the food thinkers at Breville.